Hi Jerry, this is a brief demonstration of the application that creates the estimate from the Xactimate sketch. First thing that we do is in Xactimate is open our estimate and then select all the items in the estimate, all the rooms in the sketch and the items that aren't in the sketch, and we want a summary list and we want to make sure that that's sorted alphabetically. And then we're going to go to Tools and send that to Excel. Once we get it into Excel, it looks like this. And what I've done is I've pulled one of your quotes into Excel here so that we can use the application and get it over onto the estimate. So I've just got a couple links that launch the application, and once we click here we see that this information is dropped into this form, and I can filter by category or I can filter by room. And if we look at the items here, we can see that all it's done is basically skip the empty spaces here. So it's gone through for the master walk-in and just weeded out all the empty spaces and only populated this with rows and columns that have data. So I can select the rooms that I want, and then I can filter out any categories that I want here. These totals are different here. These are adjusted by a separate table of margins. So if we look at the margin for drywall, for example, and keep your eye on the amounts for drywall, we can come over here and change that margin, and the amounts change accordingly. So formatting, we can pretty much do whatever you want. If you want to try to offset the colors on some of these so that the different rooms stand out, we can do a lot of different things with that, but I thought this might give you an idea of what it's going to look like.